Welcome back to another video, guys. Hope you guys are doing good. Today we're gonna be starting up the RSX that's been sitting for a while. The car's battery is basically dead, and I'm gonna try to move the car inside just because it is raining a lot. Shoot. Damn, this rain actually sucks. Alright, gotta get this car out, gotta get that car out to move this car in. Good. Love that smell of sweet corn. I have decided that I'm gonna move this car a little on that side and I can try pulling in the RSX right here. Let's see if that works. Need this jump pack to start the car, but do you guys think this is enough space? I think it'll fit pretty good right here. So let's just see. This car. Dude, and I haven't sat in here in so long. So let's open the hood. There we go. The only reason why I'm putting this car inside instead of taking out the battery outside is because it's raining and I don't want to get wet. Moment of truth. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, came up. Come on, come on, come on. Whoa, finally, let's go. Okay, the only thing left to do is making sure this fits in the garage now. Dang, I have both of my babies in here now. That feels good. But now, let's try taking off this battery. It's very cold. Okay, I've been doing a little bit of research online and it says that they can recharge their batteries and they can work perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect this battery onto the jump starter one more time and I'm probably gonna just leave it on for about 30 minutes to an hour. With that, I'll try to start the car and I'll see if the car turns on again. Positive, positive, negative, negative, and I have connected the battery with the charger. And like I said, I'm just gonna leave it on for 30 minutes to an hour and come back and see what the status of the battery is. Okay, so I have left the battery on here for about an hour now. So now I'm gonna just remove it and try putting it back in the car and starting it up and see if it's good. And the way that we're gonna find out that whether the battery is good or not is I'm gonna start the car up, let it run for about 5 minutes, turn off the car, and let's see if the car starts on again. Okay, I just connected the battery and I expect the car to start up normally how it's supposed to be. Okay, see, it starts up. I was already predicting this, but now I'm just gonna leave it on for about maybe 2 minutes and let's just see if the alternator can recharge the battery properly. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. It's been about 2 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna leave this off. This is sit here for about another couple minutes and I'll be right back. Sorry for the interruption, but guys, please subscribe down there. We're closing down 4,000 subscribers. That's crazy to think about. I appreciate every one of you guys. So yeah, let's just get back into the video. All right, moment of truth. Let's try starting this puppy up. I don't know why I'm a little shaking. Either I'm nervous or it's pretty cold. So let's hope this works. It started up. Dang. See, I knew it. Okay, I'm probably gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna turn it off just like this. And I'm gonna try to start it again and see if it starts one more time. And this is just for the confirmation that the battery is fine. So long story short, I told you guys that I left this car in my garage for about 2-3 months and I never started it. So I knew that the battery died while it wasn't started. But when it wasn't starting, I thought the battery had an issue and I thought I needed a new battery. But little did I know, maybe I was able to recharge it and able to still use the same battery because it doesn't even look that old. And the previous owner never mentioned that the battery was bad. So talking about the battery, let's try it one more time. Clutch in. Off camera, I did call up AutoZone to see how much a battery was, and they're charging about $180 for a new battery, which is reasonable, and that's like the cheapest one that they have. And then I called Acura, my local Acura dealership, and they're charging $140, which is super weird. Why is like the dealer a lot cheaper than AutoZone? Because usually Acura or either any dealers usually charge an arm and a leg just for their parts, where you can just buy much cheaper ones aftermarket. I don't know if it's maybe the quality that you get from AutoZone. I'm not sure. Just finished connecting the battery by putting this on, and the car is pretty much good to go. That really feels good having the car back on the street. That rattle, oh, I hate it. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get gas real quick because there's nothing at all. But driving this car, it feels good after so long. Dang, I think I need new tires because it's all over the place, and especially with the rain. I don't think I'm getting any traction up front, even though that doesn't make sense because it's only 200 horsepower. So you're like, yeah, this is getting a little sus, you know. Little downshift, you know. After putting some sweet 91, joking, it's not really that sweet. I need E85 in this. The moment of truth is now, whether this is gonna start up or not. Because if this doesn't start up, I'm probably gonna be stuck over here until my sister comes and helps me. This is what we've been charging the battery for too. I've been having a weird noise coming from that wheel ever since I bought this car. I always thought it was like the outer tie rod, but it really wasn't. Once I changed the outer tie rod, the noise is still there and the steering wheel still shakes. See that thing? I don't know if you guys could hear it. It's like the whole tire is like moving. I think it's the coilover, because when I did take the wheel off, the coilover had a little play in it. So I was thinking of buying brand new coilovers. I don't know how old these ones are. Main reason why I'm not really driving this car as often is because of that noise. That noise kind of concerns me at times, just because I feel like the wheel is gonna fall off anytime. So I've been looking into coilovers, and I'll probably show you guys the ones I think could be the best. And I don't think it could be the inner tie rod, just because when I did change the outer tie rod, the inner tie rod didn't have much play in it. Even when I replace the outer tie rod right now, it doesn't really have play in it as well. It's just that there's a little bit of play in the coilovers, as I mentioned. A few that I'm been looking at is BC coilovers. But there's two types that I've done a little bit of research on. One is like the extreme drop ones, and one is just like the normal ones. I am looking at the normal ones. I don't want too low, just because I want this to be a functional street track car. I think these are the ones I have right now. I wouldn't mind replacing the ones I have with newer Godspeed ones. Even these Skunk 2 ones look pretty good as well. These Buddy Club coilovers, the $1,700, I think that's a bit too much. I'm looking around like the $1,000 range. Even like these ARK ones, way too expensive. Fortune Auto ones, I know they're very good quality. Look how expensive they are. They're about $2,000. I wish I was sponsored by one of these brands, but unfortunately I'm not. So I'm gonna give my honest opinion on whatever coilover that I buy, and I will compare them with the Godspeed ones that I have right now, and how different the ride quality is with the new coilovers.